Yo guys, what's up? Gunna226 here. Got another package in the mail today. Take a look what's in here. I think I have an idea. Using this little knife from Big 5. Pretty awesome. Oh, okay, I'm part of my reloading thing I'm doing here. Reloading. As you can see, this is a 50 round pistol slip top. Alright. So this is for your reloaded rounds. Haven't really decided how I'm going to store them yet. Some people just put them in a big bucket, big ammo container. Some people put them in these boxes. Boxes are pretty cheap. So I think this box was like $3.50 or something like that. It's not bad quality. You can see it keeps the ammo clean from dust. It's not waterproof, I don't think. It's a slip lid. But anyway, it's one of the options that I'm looking at for ammo storage for all my reloaded rounds. If you guys have any ideas or questions on how I should store these, let me know. And I look forward to doing more reloading videos. Stay tuned for more. Should be a pretty interesting adventure. We're going to go down this path. Alright guys, thanks for watching.